a broken editor. Your favorite code editor broke. It can't display what you're typing anymore. Replace the part that handles the keyboard inputs and build the output yourself. All type keys can either be a character, a keyboard arrow represented by left and right, or a backspace represented by the minus sign. So the left arrow moves the editor's cursor to the left, the right arrow moves the editor cursor to the right, and the minus sign removes one character on the left side of the cursor's position. So keep in mind that a cursor has boundaries. From the left of the first character to the right of the last one. So the first example, you typed an extra L in hello world and removed it with a backspace. The input will be this, and the output will be that. And so for the second example, while typing too fast, you skipped the E. You pressed left arrow twice and typed E, then went back to the right and typed the rest. So the input will be this, and it becomes that. I'm not going to do PHP, I'm going to do C++. If it loads. So the first line is a string type keys representing all the pressed keys, so characters, arrows, and backspace. The output is the text to display in the editor's window. So for constraints, 1 less than equal to length of type keys is less than equal to 80. So for example, if echo hello world becomes echo hello world, but there's a slight difference to it. Okay, so there's 6 test cases. The first one is no mistakes. The second one is single mistakes. The third one is out of bounds. The fourth one is backspace 1. The fifth one is backspace 2. And the sixth one is 007. Right, let's solve it. Okay. Right, okay, so the code starts by declaring 3 variables. An integer called curs, which represents the cursor position, and 2 strings called in and out. After being requested by the user, which is me, a string is entered and stored into a variable in. So this one. Each character in the string is iterated through after the string has been received by the code. It employs a switch expression to carry out various operations based on the character. If the character is the left arrow sign, the cursor location is decreased. If the character is the right arrow sign, the cursor location is increased. If the character is a minus sign, the character immediately moves to the left of the pointer is deleted. The character immediately to the left of the pointer is deleted. If not, then the character is inserted at the cursor location into the output string. And lastly, the output string is displayed to the console once all the characters have been analyzed. And that's how to solve the puzzle.